Hey Armando, this is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. I hope you're doing well. Thanks for sending me this ticker EMLC to analyze. So we're just going to dive right in, take a look at what's going on with this guy and where it might be heading in the future based on the Elliott wave pattern that we see from its inception. So it was incepted back in 2010. It kind of moved higher from there into the 2013 high, and at that point it started a pretty solid downtrend over the last few years into the 2016 low. So there's actually two different ways that this decline off the 2013 high could be labeled, and I'm going to show them both to you and tell you what we need to be watching to see where it might head from here based on what happens in the coming sessions. So one possibility for the decline off the 2013 high is that this is a big trendy five-wave decline that is not yet done. So it's still a possibility that it's going to head down and that this recovery in 2016 is not the start of a new uptrend as it potentially could be from how strong it is. So the key here is the level 1975. As long as EMLC is trading below 1975, it's going to be possible anyway for this to reverse right back down and become a trendy down move, which obviously would be a bearish thing and would make this less of a ideal buying opportunity for you. So 1975 is the level we're watching. I'm not completely convinced that this is what's going on. Let's take a look at the other possibility or the other possible way to label this decline. So if we look at this here, the other possibility is that this is actually a counter trend decline that is traced out a three-wave decline, which is always a counter trend move, and that now the uptrend is resuming from here. Again, the key level that I'm watching is 1975. If it moves above 1975, it becomes much more likely that this was in fact a counter trend decline and not a new trend to the downside. So that's a really important level. Obviously, it's going to take a little bit, let's see, maybe 3 or 4% advance from here to get above 1975 to confirm its long-term intentions, but that's what it is. That's where the level is. So that's what we're looking at. I think the bullish possibility is more likely, just judging by the strength of this move off the 2016 low. But let's just zoom in on this action here and see if we can develop some more key levels to keep an eye on. So this zooms in on the 2016 advance. The up leg off the 2016 advance into April's high is a really nice move, really trendy, really clean. Since then, it's pulled back and it looks like it's trying to break out again. So this is a really nice base for what could be a much bigger up move. But again, I'd really like to see it move above 1975 before you do anything too aggressive on this guy. As far as this short-term pattern is concerned, the key level is 1825. So if it were to move below 1825 at any point in time, it would look like a bearish thing. It would look like that bearish labeling that we were discussing initially has a lot more chance of playing out. But if it can stay above 1825 and continue above 1975, that level we were talking about before, this is going to look like the start of a much larger advance, and it would be a good buying opportunity. So from your point of view, if you were looking to own this, you could be aggressive. You could own it now as long as it's trading above 1825, or you could wait for it to move above 1975, buy it at that point, and then trail your stop from there. You could put your stop at about 1850 once it gets up to 1975. If that's where you want to own it, if you don't buy it right away. Or again, you could buy it right away aggressively and keep it as long as it's trading above 1825 and trail your stop up as the move continues from there. So that's kind of the pickle it's in right now. It's not 100% clear that this thing is ready to take off. It certainly has the potential to, but again, I'd really like to see it trade above 1975 just to confirm that that's what's going on and that the long-term trend has reversed to up. So I hope that's helpful, Armando. Have a great rest of your day, and I will be talking to you soon. Take care.